guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make dhaba style paneer, which is very simple and you can make it at home. So let's get started. So the ingredients to make this dhaba style paneer are: you need some paneer cut into cubes like I have done. You need some oil, some turmeric powder. This is the roasted jeera powder or the cumin powder, red chili powder or Kashmiri lal mirch powder just for the color, and some salt and a pinch of water. So to prepare the paneer masala, here are the ingredients. Here's the oil. These are the dried red chilies. You can take any kind. The kasuri methi, ginger, garlic, roasted cumin powder or jeera powder, red chili powder, the whole jeera or cumin seeds. These are the whole spices. This is the bay leaf, star anise, and we also have the cloves, the black pepper, and the little pods of cardamom seeds or elaichi. We also have some salt, and then this is cilantro, green chilies, and some besan, also known as the chickpea flour. We also have the minced onion and the minced tomatoes. So to start preparing this dish, first what we need to do is take this paneer, add all these spices in it because we need to marinate it for about 5 minutes. And then goes in the jeera powder or the cumin powder, the red chili powder, the salt, and a pinch of water just to coat all the spices well with the paneer. And then you mix it all well. So we just marinated the paneer with all these spices and a little bit of water. Now we're going to shallow fry this marinated paneer just for about a minute or two. The oil is a little hot, so we're going to toss in the marinated paneer and just shallow fry it for a minute or two. We don't want to really cook it. So the reason for shallow frying this paneer with all the spices is so that all the spices get infused well with the paneer. And make sure you do it on a low to a medium flame, not high flame, because we don't want to burn all the spices. Now looks like the paneer is done, and now we're going to turn off the flame and add the paneer pieces back into this bowl. So heat some oil in a pan. You can use any oil. And once the oil is hot, added some cumin seeds or jeera along with the whole spices and let it fry for a minute. We also add in the red chilies. Now goes in the minced onion. And you fry the minced onion for a few minutes till it turns slightly golden brown. We also add the green chilies so it can fry with the onions. So now you can see the onions are slightly golden brown. Now we add the ginger and the garlic to this and cook it for about half a minute. The ginger and garlic along with the onions are cooking. So at this point of time, I'm going to add some besan or the chickpea flour. The reason for adding this is because this is going to thicken the consistency of this dish. You can also use a thickening agent like cashew nuts or cream, but I do not use cream in most of my dishes. So instead I'm using besan, and we're going to dry roast it along with the other things in this pan. When the chickpea flour or the besan has roasted well, we add the tomatoes, the minced tomatoes. Again, I haven't made a fine paste of these tomatoes, but it's just a mince. and let it cook. I also add the salt and all the other spices like the red chili powder. This is the Kashmiri red chili powder. It's just for color and flavor. It's not that hot. And the cumin powder. We also add the kasuri methi for added flavor. Mix it up well. And we may need to add a little bit of oil again. You can either use olive oil or any oil or ghee as well. Ghee goes well. So after adding all the spices, the onions, the garlic, ginger, tomatoes, etc., we just cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes on low flame. So the masala has been cooking for about 7 minutes now. At this point, I'm going to add the cilantro and the paneer that we marinated and shallow fried. So mix it up well and let it simmer together for about 7 to 10 minutes. So all the masala gets infused with the paneer. Just mix it up well. And remember, this is a dry dish. This is not like paneer tikka masala or the other paneer dishes. This is a dhaba style paneer, so that's why you can see the texture is not very fine, it's coarse. And also you can add as an option some tandoori masala or any garam masala or whatever you wish to. So let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Do not make it high or medium, just low flame till it gets cooked. So the paneer has been cooking for about 10 minutes on low flame, and you can see the oil is separated out. So the dish is ready. So the paneer is ready and I've put it out in this authentic Indian dish. Food is all about enjoying it with your family and friends, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, do like and subscribe to my channel, Payal's Recipe. For more videos, tune in till next time. Bye-bye.